In our studies, we use a test battery that consists of several different neuropsychological and neurophysiological methods. Each test is sensitive to different classes of CNS active drugs. A major advantage of this technique is that it allows repeated measurements during study days. In this way, dose and concentration effect relationships can be determined. Because the data are processed and analyzed almost immediately, the results can be used for dose escalation decisions without any delay.
To begin this procedure, switch on the power of the test battery computer and turn on the computer and screens. Then, seat the subject in front of the computer screen and joystick. Confirm the preferred hand of the subject and adjust the joystick accordingly. Instruct the subject to hold the joystick as a pen, with the arm resting on the table. Subsequently, start the test script via the installed program. Fill out the requested specifics, such as subject and study number. Next, execute the test by clicking Start on the Test Assistant screen. Monitor the performance of the subject on the Test Assistant screen and encourage the subject to keep the circle around the dot if the subject cannot exceed difficulty factor 2. In this step, identify the outer canthus of the right eye. Repeat this procedure for the left eye. Then, identify the place for the ground electrode 2 centimeters above the nasion. Thoroughly rub the sites of the eye electrodes using a cotton wipe.